Hey, I hit him. Let's go get him. Hold on. He's still alive. Trying to keep it. Alright. And there. Sorry, y'all. And there he is. Alrighty, one down. There he is. Let me try to, this is hard. But yep. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be trying to bird hunt with using the iscope. I've had this thing for a couple years now, and it's really hard to use. Oh, that's too close. There's that bird I just shot. But anyways, this is really hard. Where is he? There he is. Alright, let's go see how many more we can get. But y'all, I know I haven't done a video in like 2 years. Me and my brother, we both share a channel, and we each haven't done a video in like 2 years. He probably hadn't done one in 3, 4 years probably. But I've really kind of taken over his channel. But, and this is one of my first times using the iscope. And just by using that, it's really hard to use. But I know they're kind of old and stuff, but my so old is I'm using it with a iPhone 4 right now. But it's really hard to use. But leave a comment below this video if y'all want to see more of this. I could probably do this, but it's really hard. So yeah, I'm using my pellet gun. It's a Benjamin Trail nitro piston. It's a .22 caliber gun. It's really good. Break barrel. But like I've already said, this iscope, sorry, I'm out of breath. This iscope's really hard to use. I mean, it's so close you can't even shoulder the gun. You gotta kind of stick it out, but thought I'd give it a try today. Since I haven't done a video in like 2 years, thought I maybe could give it a try. But leave a comment if you think the iscope's good. Same if you don't think it's good. Let me know. Let me